Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of 3 packages that came in the mail today. If you would like to see what's in these, stay tuned. Hi, I'm Chris from Evelyn James Couture, and I'm very excited to see what's in my packages today. I've already taken the time to cut them open, so it'll be quick and easy to see what's hidden inside. I'm ready to go. You can see I have the package open. I'm gonna slide out the world's famous Louis Vuitton box. I'm gonna open that for us. Inside the dust bag, let's see what we have. Oh, look. 2 of my daughters have EM for their initials. I just thought this would be the cutest card case to carry around with me so I can just show the world how proud I am of my girls. It has the hot pink and orange, which are 2 of my favorite color combinations together, and I'm gonna be using this every single day. This will move back and forth between all my purses. These little boxes often have really small things in them. So let's see what's in this one. We have lots of tissue paper, a baggie. This is super smart because if it gets rained on, if it gets snowed on, if it gets dropped in a mud puddle, what's inside your baggie is perfectly protected. I'm gonna open the Louis Vuitton bag. Oh my gosh, let me turn it the right way. I have been wanting this for ages. This is the Panda collection. You can see the front of him, the back of him. This is a Murakami piece that I just love his work. How cute is this? And I was able to get it new. Can you believe this? The secondary market sometimes just blows me out of the water. I adore this. Okay, now we're gonna move to a bigger box. Look at the size of this. I'm so excited to see what's inside. We have some air pockets, some more air pockets. I don't remember what's in here. Surprise, surprise, surprise. Oh, how sweet. I have a thank you card. I have the cutest little journal, and it says, remember when you started. Look at this. I have 2 perfume samples. This is the Attrape Rev, which is their newest fragrance. These are handed out if you ask for them at most Louis Vuittons. They really are a great travel piece. I can't believe they're included. Yay! Okay, we're gonna pull out our dust bag. I love the drawstring bags. It's my little toiletry 15. Look at this. It's new. I bought this brand new on the secondary market and was able to save about 50%. You can see the vachetta is just in excellent, excellent condition. The zipper pull has 0 tarnishing and 0 worn areas on it. The canvas, amazing. Let's see the lining. Should be impeccable. And it is. Look at this. Oh my God, what a fun unboxing today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you loved seeing all my new purchases. And I post every day, so I will see you tomorrow.